Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you just bought a home, built a new one, or you're thinking about putting your house on the market and the outside feels a little plain or outdated, don't worry. Some of the biggest curb appeal upgrades are actually quick, affordable, and surprisingly easy. Today we're showing you simple fixes that can completely transform the outside of your home into the welcoming oasis it was meant to be. Number 1, tiny builder grade light fixtures. Most builders install the cheapest possible fixtures. Easy fix. Swap in larger modern fixtures or statement lighting. Number 2, fake looking house numbers. Small generic numbers that you can't even see from the street not only scream cheap, but aren't safe in emergencies. Easy. Fix. Install oversized modern metal numbers. This cheap upgrade makes a big visual difference. Number 3, basic front door. Many doors look plain, forgettable, and uninviting. Easy fix. Paint the door a richer color and upgrade the hardware. Black, dark green, navy, and stained wood tones work great. Number 4, tiny or no mulch beds. Having the bare minimum landscaping can destroy your house's aesthetics. Easy fix. If you're not a gardener, no worries. Plant evergreens and perennials. Choose low maintenance plants and those native to your area. If you love to garden, expand flower beds and add layered plants. Makes the home feel established fast. Number 5, basic mailbox. Tiny standard mailboxes hurt curb appeal. Easy fix. Install a larger modern mailbox post or one that complements the style of your home. Number 6, small or no trees. If your home doesn't have established trees or maybe just one small tree, your home curb appeal is most definitely downgraded. Easy fix. Plant one larger statement tree and add a few smaller, fast-growing trees. It will add to your property value, and you'll love the shade as they mature. Number 7, generic front porch. Many porches feel empty and lifeless. Easy fix. Treat your porch as you would an extension of your home. Add bigger planters, seating, lighting, outdoor rug. 8, visible clutter around utilities. Not only do visible utilities cheapen the house, but they are notorious for weeds, making it unsightly. Easy fix. Hide your utilities by using shrubs, a trellis, or fence it in using a gate for access. Number 9, oversized garage, dominating the front of your home. A huge blank garage door can overpower the whole house. Easy fix. Add decorative hardware, faux windows, lighting beside garage, paint. Number 10, cheap vinyl gable vents. Plastic vents fade and warp over time. Easy fix. Paint them to match trim or replace with higher quality versions. Number 11, shutters. If you don't have shutters or they are painted the same color as your siding, your house may look more like a block. Easy fix. Add shutters or paint existing shutters an accent color. This adds dimension to your home. Number 12, no defined walkway to the front door. Many homes have tiny straight sidewalks. Many times they are in low areas where water pools and they are not trimmed properly, making grass grow over them. Easy fix, level walkway. Fill in low areas, widen if possible. Border the walkway with lighting, flowers, stone edging, or pavers. 13, exposed downspouts. Easy fix, paint downspouts to match siding or trim. They visually disappear once color matched. Number 14, dirty driveways and walkways. This happens especially after winter snow melts or after fall leaves. While it's great to keep walkways and driveways swept, a better easy fix is to pressure wash them. Sounds obvious, but the cleaner your concrete, the more expensive your home looks. Number 15, no edging around flower beds. If you don't have edging, grass is more likely to cover sidewalks, causing it to become narrow and unkempt looking. Easy fix. Add edging to give the house a neat curb appeal. Number 16. Keep your outside as carefully maintained as the inside of your house. Easy fix. Don't let yard maintenance pile up. That means regular mowing, cleaning, putting gardening tools and trash cans away. Making these small adjustments not only increases the value of your home, but they can make a huge difference on how expensive your home feels on the outside, making you the talk of the neighborhood. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.